Can we bring this one back? Watch the whole video to find out. Today we're working on something nice and simple. Hyundai Sonata. Got a little bit of stain action here on these seats. This customer just wants primarily his interior to look better. And look at those stains that I was talking about earlier. Probably never been properly detailed. See all that grime in the cup holders? Look at that. Well, we should be able to make quick work of that with the steamer. Check that out, guys. We got some spider webs here on a daily driven, so that means we're gonna have a spider hanging out in here somewhere. And I hate spiders. So that's gonna be an extra $1,000. All right, we're gonna start off with the exterior though. Nice foam bath. Here we go. Here's a quick before shot of these wheels. There you go, nice and easy. All right, so that's what we like to work with here for the wheels. The IK Foam Pro 2. I gotta tell you, it's worth the 80 bucks that it cost on Car Supply's warehouse. This little Schrader valve is the reason why. These bad boys looking good. Get them looking like new again. You can see all that nastiness coming off of them, right? Now, we'll go in with our blue brush here. It's a boar's hair brush. Then, most important brush, work stuff. This is where you get into all the nooks and crannies that are gonna make the big difference. It looks like we got them nice and clean on that first hit. Shout out to Gorilla. Gorilla makes an amazing product for tires and wheels. All right, it's time for what I like to call the main event because I love tire gel so much. So we've got this tire gel here that we ordered from a private labeler that I want to try and get made for our company. So we want to make some Gold Detailer Gold tire gel soon. And this is the stuff that we're going to use. Check it out. So this stuff looks really shiny when you first apply it, but once it dries, it turns into a semi-gloss finish. And it doesn't sling. That's the beauty of it. All right, take a look at that. Woo! Yeah, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. Alright, so the interior was a mess. I'm gonna go ahead and hit y'all with a quick supercut of some of the more interesting parts of cleaning the interior. A lot of vacuuming and a lot of steaming and a little bit of extracting goes on. Alright, so here we have the finished product. I'm really proud of the wheels. I did hyper focus on that. I wanted the wheels to really pop, the wheels and the tires in particular. Let's take a look at the interior. If you guys remember, we had a whole lot of stains on that seat, all gone. Cleaned up nicely. Alright guys, I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and as usual, go detailer, go.